Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful woodcrafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Friends, if you have ordered wooden piece, small branches, wooden sticks, leftover board or craft wood at home, don't throw away with a little creative. This simple piece of wood can become beautiful home decoration, garden accessory, used for organizer, and unique handmade gift. Wood has a natural and warm look that you can make any space feel cozy and beautiful. The best thing about woodcraft is that you can keep the natural wood color you like. So let's explore some amazing and get inspired. Wooden wall decoration. Take a few small pieces of wooden and arrange them into an interesting shape. You can create a flower, tree, heart, star, or geometric design. Paint each piece in a different color or keep the natural wood look. Add some rope at the back and hang your finished decoration on the wall. These simple ideas can give an empty walls a beautiful handmade touch. And viewers, so friends, the next idea is viewers, wooden planter or wooden box or small wooden counter can easily become beautiful plant holder. Add soil and your favorite flower green plant. This combination of nature, wood and fresh plant create a peaceful and natural look. You can place wooden planter on your balcony, garden or entrance. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and